Where the heck's my tractor? Yo, Shay!
What's up?
You know who stole my tractor?
No, I don't, but I know Jack and Matt live on farms near here. Might have them.
Oh my god, they stole my tractor, man. Matt,
What?
did you steal my tractor?
No?
Hey, Matt,
What?
I know how I know you stole my tractor. And I
How?
know you know it. Because your shoes are wrinkled. You've been pressing on the pedal of the tractor. Also, you're wearing a jacket, which means that you were outside because it's cold out. You'd have to wear a jacket if you're on a tractor mowing the crops.
Or just like wearing a jacket?
No. Jesus, Matt. Look at me when you're talking. Wait a minute. You're watching tractor videos. You totally stole my tractor, man.
No?
Yep.
No?
Yep.
No?
Shut it. Now I gotta go get Jack, the other farmer. Whoa! Jack,
What?
farmer.
What do you want?
Guess what?
What?
I think you stole my tractor.
I did not.
You know what?
What?
I just talked to Matt. Guess what he said?
What did he
He
say?
said I didn't steal my tractor.
Well, how can you believe him?
Well, I don't know, but guess what?
What?
My tractor was stolen. So if he didn't steal it, you're my next suspect.
Why is that?
Because you look like it.
Explain.
Well, first of all, your shoes are dirty. Like
So-
you've been stepping in soil.
That's because I was working earlier this morning.
Exactly, you were using my tractor.
I was not
Shut
using my
it!
tractor.
Shut it! Guess what?
What?
Your hair's in a ponytail. Want to know why?
Why?
Because you didn't want your hair getting trapped in the gears of my tractor.
But I'm always wearing my hair up like this.
No.
Yup.
No.
Yup.
No.
Yup.
Listen, I want you to not listen to whatever you're listening to when you talk to me, so watch this.
What?
What the? You're watching tractor videos. So you like tractors?
I do like tractors.
So that would give you motive to steal my tractor.
No, it wouldn't.
You know what?
I'm saving for my own tractor.
You know what?
What?
I think you're more guilty than Matt. I think you stole my tractor.
I did not.
Guess what? Matt, Jack, they both said they didn't steal my tractor, but both of them have motive.
Really?
Yeah, what do we do?
Let's get both of them and figure this out.
Alright, let's get. Well.
Well, well, well.
Well, well, well,
Well, well, well, well, well, well, well, well, well.
Alright, boys. One of you stole my tractor.
I most certainly did not.
I think Jack stole your tractor.
I did not.
If you did, why didn't you confess?
Oh, you
Don't
thought?
push me. Are you trying to do this right now? Are you kidding me?
Square up!
I don't need that.
I think Shay did it.
Wait a minute.
It wasn't.
Then why is he smiling? What the? Oh, hey! 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 Why would you steal my tractor?
It's revenge. You never let me do anything around the farm.
Oh, revenge, but son. Yeah, it's true, he says.
It's too late.
Shit.
Wait. If we were Shay, where would we be?
A mental hospital?
No.
The weight room?
The weight room.
Wait, my leg is fine, guys. Let's go.
Let's go!
All right. All right, guys. Shay's my responsibility. I've got this. Shay, I know you're in here.
Found me. What happens now?
Shay, I thought I trusted you. You're my son. You're my son, man. Are you laughing? Why, Shay? Why?
Finish it! Oh no!
He's dead, I think. Man, he was kind of cool.
Come
No!
on. Come on.
No! No! At least you got your tractor back. Wait, I didn't get my tractor back.
Oh.
Oh my God, there it is.
Let's go!